Hello students, welcome to a brand new class of computer. Okay, we are in the second chapter, file management and data organization. In that chapter, only two topics are left. One is sorting files and another one working with multiple applications. Only two topics are left in the chapter. So today shall we wind up the chapter. Okay. So first we are directly jumping to the first topic, sorting files. Sorting, S-O-R-T-I-N-G, sorting. Sorting, have you any heard of the word sorting in your life? Sorting means arranging something in a particular order. That is the meaning of sorting. Sorting means arranging the files in a particular order. It can be any order. Sorting, it's not, don't be confused, it's not sorting, it's sorting. That is a normal common mistake that students normally that happens. Instead of sorting they write sorting. Okay, so remember that it's not sorting, sorting, S-O-R-T-I-N-G. Sorting means arranging them in a particular order. In computer, files can be arranged in four different ways. One is by their name, second one by their size, and the third one the item type, and the fourth one date modified, not data modified, date modified. What does it mean, each one? If you are arranging or sorting by name, all the files are get arranged according to their alphabetic order. Okay, you know alphabetic order from A to Z. So once you select sort by name, okay, a practical way how to do sorting that I will show you in the next video. Next slide. So just understand the theory. When you sort files, these files are get arranged according to the alphabetic order. Second way of sorting is by their size. When you choose the second option, the files are arranged in the descending order of their file size. Every file has its own size, okay, according to the content inside that. File size, okay, when you choose the second option, the files are get arranged in the descending order of their size. That is the second option, by size. And the third one is item type, item type. Files are grouped based on their types, the different types are there. Files are grouped according to their type. And the last option is date modified. All the files are get arranged according to the date they are last modified. Okay, according to the date in which the file get last modified. In that order, according to the date they got arranged. These are the four different ways of sorting files. First one, by name you can arrange the files. And the second one, according to their size, descending order of their size we can arrange the files. And the third one, according to the different types. And the last one, on which day the file got modified last. So we can see how practically we can do the sorting. So here is a video how to sort. Okay, you can see the desktop on your screen, and on the desktop some icons are there, some blank area also there. Press right mouse button on the blank area, press right mouse click on the blank area of the desktop. You will get a shortcut menu. The shortcut menu, what we are seeing on the screen, that is a shortcut menu you are getting when you press right mouse button. With the options view, sort, refresh, all these options are there. So here we are seeing one option like a sort by, sort by. All the four options that you studied now you can see here. Name, size, item type, date modified. These are the four options by which we can sort the files in a computer. Okay, how to get the shortcut menu? By pressing right mouse button on the blank area of the desktop, a shortcut menu comes, and from the menu you have to choose the option sort by, sort by, sort by. Choose any of these options, either of the option you can choose. Okay, in this way all the files are get arranged when you choose any of these options. And the next topic, working with multiple application. Working with multiple application. Multiple means more than one. In our practical life, sometimes we have to deal with many programs, many softwares at the same time. Let me give an example. We are doing some drawing in MS Paint. Okay, normally you people make drawings in MS Paint, and that drawing I have to insert in MS Word. So simultaneously I have to open both the windows, One is that is of MS Paint, another one to insert, that is of MS Word. So I have to work with both at the same time, or simultaneously I have to work on more than one. The one is Paint. I am making some drawings in Paint, and that painting, whatever I drawn, I have to insert in MS Word also. And another example, okay, I am creating one presentation in MS PowerPoint. And in that, some topics I have to add. That topics, I don't have much idea about the topic. And then what I can do, I can search in Google, open any browser like Google Chrome. And in Google, I have to search and find out some topics, okay, about that. Some points about the topic. So in that case, I have to do PowerPoint as well as browser or Google Chrome at the same time. Simultaneously, I have to do. So how can we do, or how can we arrange the windows when we are working with multiple application? I think you people understood the use of multiple application. First one I said, Paint and MS Word. In Paint, we are making some drawings, and that drawing we have to insert in MS Word. So simultaneously I have to open both the windows. Second example, like MS PowerPoint, I am preparing some topic. Okay, about some topic I have to write or create slides. And that I don't have much idea about the topic that I have to prepare. So let me open Google Chrome and search in Google and find out some points about the topic. So in the second example, I have to work with MS PowerPoint and Google Chrome at the same time. So how can we arrange the windows when we are working with multiple applications? This is also very simple. 3 ways are there. First way, cascade windows. Second one, show windows windows stacked. And the last one, show windows side by side. When we are working with multiple applications, we can arrange the windows in any of these 3 ways. First one, cascade windows. Second one, show windows stacked. And the third one, show windows side by side. Okay, let's see how we can do it. See here. First, let me open one MS Paint. Click on the Start button. Open MS Paint. So in this, we need more than one windows to be opened. So you know that it's a window of MS Paint. That is open now. MS Paint is open. After that, we can do open one more window, that is of MS Word. Start button, Microsoft Word, MS Word. Okay, here Microsoft Office Word, you can see we are opening the second window, that is of MS Word. Opening second window, that is of MS Word. So presently, 2 windows are open there on the desktop. One is MS Paint and another one is MS Word. Okay, we can do one more. Okay, I am going to open calculator as well. I have to do some calculation also simultaneously. Calculator also. So presently 3 windows are open there on the desktop. One is of calculator, another one Paint, and the third one is MS Word. When you see the top side or the title bar and the ribbon means all the icons are there. You can understand which window it is. It is of Paint. Here you can see Paint, then MS Word and the calculator. How can we arrange? 3 windows are presently open. Okay, make sure that before doing this operation, all the windows should be open, not should be minimized. It should be maximized. All the windows should be in the maximized position. On the bottom side of the screen, on the desktop, you can see a bar that is called taskbar. Press right mouse button on the taskbar. You will get all the 3 options. Cascade windows, show windows stacked, show windows side by side. Let's take the first one. Cascade windows. Cascade windows. And see that how the effect appears. Cascade window. I'm going to click the first one, cascade window. Okay, cascade window. And see how the 3 windows are arranged. You can see 3 windows on the desktop. They are arranged in this way. That you can see on the screen. Paint on the top and Word also and the calculators also. All the top right corners, they are arranged diagonally on the screen, on the desktop. That is cascade windows. 3 windows simultaneously they are arranged on the screen. We can take the second option. Show windows stacked. Show windows stacked. Windows are stacked. First one calculator comes, next one Word comes, and the last Paint comes. Okay, they are stacked. Another way of arranging the windows. Just do it on the computer and see that how the effect is. All the 3 windows are arranged in a stacked way. And the last option, show windows side by side. Show windows side by side. First calculator placed, second word placed, word window, and on the side of word window we have like this it is placed, word and pen. All the 3 windows are placed side by side, side of another window. Okay, side by side. All the 3 windows are placed side by side. So these are the 3 options when you are working with multiple applications. Okay. Okay, and only one option is given there in book, but I explain 2 more options. Cascade windows. Okay, show window stacked, show window side by side. Just do in your computer and see the effect. Okay, by this we are ending the wrapping up the session or the full second chapter itself. And in the next video, I will give you the exercise part as well as the question answer part. Thank you. Take care.